Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome on HP Pavilion 15. First, you need to go to any browser that you may currently have. I'm gonna go to Microsoft Edge, but if you have another browser then you can also use that, but it may look differently in that browser. So if you want, I suggest you opening Microsoft Edge so it'll look similar to my experience. And now in the search tab, you just need to search for Google Chrome. So let's just type in Google Chrome or just Chrome. And now select the Google Chrome browser. Close this window. Then, as you can see, I'm gonna translate it. Click on download Chrome. Now it'll download itself in this window, and you can click on open file. If you don't see this pop-up, then click on three dots in the top right corner and find downloads. Then you can click on open file, and it'll ask you for administrator permissions. So I'm gonna click on yes. Then it'll take a few seconds depending on your internet connection, and after that it will be installed, so let's wait. And now the Google Chrome is installed. It'll open itself automatically. Now you can choose whether or not you want to sign into it. I'm gonna click on don't sign in, then select your default search engine. I suggest setting Google, but it's up to you. Then you can also set as default. If you don't, you can click on skip, but I'm gonna click on set as default. Then here it'll open the settings window. Click on set default and close it. Now it'll ask you for a few more things, so I'll just finish it up, and you can see that Google Chrome is installed. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.